Hi everyone, welcome to another property showcase from PropertyCozy.com. I am Tavia and I will be your property guide for today. Please remember to like, share, subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified when a new property is available. Let's get into it. I know many here haven't heard of a smart home, so before I get into this house, let me explain a bit. A smart home refers to a convenient home setup where appliances and devices can be automatically controlled remotely from anywhere with an internet connection using a mobile or other network device. Now that's out the way, let's get into this home. Exceptional, modern design and curated details is this distinctive masterpiece of a home impeccably situated in the Belvedere Kingston community. This 5 bedroom, 7 bathroom smart home on 14,810 square feet of land features a double car garage, gracious entry foyer, staff accommodation, full camera system, designer laundry room, a wet bar, reverse osmosis faucet, gourmet kitchen with appliance built in, which extends to an exquisite dining room and generous living room, gym, and office. Soaring backlit ceilings with voluminous space leads to the primary suite, which is complete with vaulted ceilings, sitting room, and is an walk-in closet. Primary bathroom is a masterpiece of epic proportions with a triple shower head, enclosed shower, soaking tub, and double vanity with generous storage. The backyard is the piesto resistance of this home with everything needed to entertain family and friends. It features fully equipped outdoor kitchen, outdoor bathroom, pool, fire pit, built-in speakers, all operational from a cell phone. Other features of this home includes porcelain tile, garden area, water tank, water heater, ceiling fans, swimming pool, kitchen built-ins, sprinkler system, fully fenced, fully walled, and view of the mountain. The current price of this house is US 1.3 million or Jamaican $205.3 million. Now, let's take a look at this home and please leave a comment and let us know your thoughts. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Also, for more details on this property, please visit the description area below. I am Tavia and I was your property guide for today. Until next time, put God first and keep safe.